Welcome back, boys and girls. It's a beautiful day in South Texas. Getting real close to putting the new engine in Elvira up there, 57 Chevy Bel Air. This is the old small block Chevy 327 that came out of that beast. Worn out, it's old, it's carbureted, gotta go. Missed my other video, it'll bring you up to speed. This right here is a small block Chevy 350 tune port injection out of that 86 Corvette with all the parts sticking out of it. We took this thing out, rebuilt it, ported the heads, ported all these intake runners, intake manifold, put a shift kit in the 4-speed automatic, and it is right. Getting real close to putting it in. I just couldn't help myself. I had to put this thing together, take a little video of it, take some pictures. It can't go in like that because that load leveler over there will not fit above all this stuff. So I just kind of hand tightened it and take it all back apart on the top end up here. All this stuff needs to come off, and the headers need to come off. We're going to put it on the hook and get ready to put it in. Stay tuned.